The cable fitting assembly consists of acorn nut, jam nut, flat bearing washer, cable fitting, 1/8" stainless steel cable. The tools you will need are 2 7/16 wrenches, some painter's tape, tape measure, a pencil or marker, a 9/64 drill bit, drill, cutters, crimpers. And if installing on stairs, we suggest you also have a T-bevel on hand. Mark the desired hole layout on each side of the posts in the run. Drill a 9/32 hole halfway into the posts from each side, taking care to keep the hole straight. Slide the end of the cable all the way into the fitting.
Crimp the fitting 1/4 inch from the end. Rotate fitting 180 degrees and crimp again, 1/4 inch from the first crimp.
Our crimpers are specifically designed to give you the best crimp possible when using AGS fittings. Using a flat washer and one 1/4 inch jam nut, screw nut onto fitting so that the threads extend 1/8 inch past the end of the nut. Screw an acorn nut onto the fitting . At the other end of the run, pull cable taut and mark it at the outside face of the post. Cut the cable 2 inches shorter than this mark. To ensure a clean cut to the cable, we recommend using bypass cutters. Attach a fitting as you did at the other end. Any fitting distortion resulting from crimping is easily straightened by tapping lightly with a rubber-headed hammer. Repeat until all cables are installed. Starting with the middle row of cable, tighten the jam nut just until the slack is taken out of the cable. Moving up 1, down 2, up 3, down 4, tighten each row as described until all rows of cable are taut. Secure the jam nut again by tightening the acorn nut against it.